Good morning, everyone. I am trying to figure out how to get to Waimoku Falls. Waimoku. Anyway, a really big waterfall. I'm trying to figure out how to get there this morning. That's my sightseeing for the day, I guess. So, trying to figure out how to get there. I think it's that way. But you know, I have to drive, and I haven't been filming while I'm driving because it's a little stressful because it's a new city, so I can't really do it at the same time anymore. So, I'll show you when I get there. Get ready for like a really big waterfall or something if I find it. And I'm like amazed at how big these hibiscus flowers are. They're like huge. Look, it's like my hand and then flower. And then, you know, my hand and flower. They're just really big. And they're pretty and they're everywhere. So, I like it. So this is the view from the halfway mark to the waterfall. And you can see it. You can see the water on that side and on that side, which is pretty cool. And there are cows down there. And see, okay. So the cows remind me of Switzerland, and this behind me, doesn't this also just look like Switzerland? Is that weird? Clearly Hawaii, and it looks like Switzerland. But it's pretty. And somehow it's less windy up here than it is down there. I don't know. Oh! Did you hear the cow? The cow moved. I'm still pretty amazed that this looks like Switzerland. I don't know. I feel like I'm in Appenzell or something. But yeah, it's pretty cool. That's a cool shot. So it's really pretty out here. Look. Just set up in the middle of the street. Over here, there's a really cool, I don't know, I feel like there was a river here once upon a time. And look, isn't that glorious? Look how pretty that is. It's really nice. Alright, I'm gonna go continue driving. I haven't reached the waterfall yet, so the car there is waiting for me. Look, little yellow mountain flowers. Pretty cool tree. So, I'm on my way to the waterfall. Apparently there's like a hike through the National Wildlife Reserve thing. So, it's a slight path, and it's about a 2-mile walk. So, forward is the waterfall. I'm about halfway to the big waterfall. Here, I guess, a smaller waterfalls. But look at the bamboo. Bamboo forests. Less than a mile to go. It's a bamboo forest. It's so strange. Wow. I don't know if it's like this weird optical illusion. I don't know if you guys see it, but it's really weird. It's like a really weird sort of optical illusion thing. Like, go to these. Ah! Ah! Spider! Spider! Alright, I'm leaving. It's really dark now in the bamboo. There it is, somewhere. Getting close. I've been here like 2 hours or something. It's quite the hike. Yeah, now I'm close, apparently. We've exited the bamboo forest. And now on to wherever the waterfall is. Wow, it's pretty big. I finally made it to the waterfall. Oh my god, so long. Not that cold. Alright, well. Time to head back. Now we're gonna have to hurry down because it's getting dark. And I won't be stuck in the bamboo forest at night because that's really creepy. I'm assuming at least. See? Darkness envelops you in the bamboo forest. What's that? It's the wild Hawaiian pandas. Pretty flowers. It took, what, 2 hours to get up, an hour to get back down, and now it's getting dark, and I have to drive back. It is time, yeah, to go.